Ready. We're just looking at these are some of the biggest girders that we've had in the building now at the tank factory with our new shear. Just give a demonstration there earlier, you saw on the film of him cutting through this girder. One of the main advantages of that particular shear with its replaceable point is its piercing power in thick girders like this, rather than some types of shear which would attempt to cut through it and fold it over. So in actual fact, you're cutting twice the thickness of the steel than what you want to be doing and making things doubly hard for yourself. That type of shear with its piercing point, straight through in one, very quick, very good, very efficient.
Okay. So I mean, what's your thoughts on the Rotar products in general? You know, you have a few of them, right?
We've had a few, yeah. We've been using them for quite some time, 5 years now, something like that. We started off with a RDP. You'll have to correct me now, Sean. Is it a 40 or a 50?
42 was your first one.
The first one that we had on a Volvo 700. That was our first experience of Rotar, and we were impressed. Up to that, we'd had other makes. We've had VTN, we've had Varacta. We were happy with them, but that I remember when we got that had the speed valve in it, and the difference in speed when it hits something hard and it gears down, and you can see it, you can hear it really crunching through that concrete. It was a very good product.
That's really important here because yourselves as contractors, you're paid in performance, and so the quicker it works, the quicker it's down.
Yeah. No, it was very good. So that was our first experience of Rotar. Since then, we've got how many shears have we got now? 3 Rotar shears. Yeah, this is our newest and biggest one. Yeah, but they're all good. Well, that's why we keep buying them. You know, we're repetitive business because we find them good for the type of work we do. We've also got the Rotar Grab. That's been a good piece of equipment. We've got our latest one is a
RDC. The primary cracker.
The primary cracker. Yeah, that is a nice tool. Yeah, we're very impressed with that one. Yeah. In fact, we're probably more impressed with that than anything we've done. Yeah.
What makes it different?
We changed it there again, Sean. I'm not familiar with the model numbers. We changed it from the processor
RDP,
type one, the RDP type one. Yeah. And we were finding on a concrete building, if there was a lot of rebar in it, it was struggling. It seemed to ball up the rebar in front of it rather than cutting it, and it was struggling. You could see it was struggling. The production was not good. It was not good. Anyway, we had that one on demonstration. Well, we kept it. We never sent it back. The difference was tremendous. It's the same size tool. It's on the same excavator, the same driver. There's nothing different. The only difference is the tool.
Yeah.
And it was a massive difference. Yeah. Yeah, it was very good. It was very good.